Pussy got that wet wet, got that drip drip, got that super soak. I hit that, she a Fifi, honey Kiki, she eat my dick.
Guess who's back? Oh my god, guys, I don't even know what to say. I just keep disappearing from YouTube. Blame my college, blame all the assignments I'm getting, blame the modelling. But you know what, let's stop complaining. Let's just celebrate, pop a bit of bottles, because I'm back. Not only that I'm back, but I've got a hair review for you guys. Are you mad? You know what, yeah? Don't talk to me. You know why? My hair says so. I am back with a hair review. And my last video actually was a hair review. But you know what? Had to bring another one. Had to do another one. Your girl is obsessed with hairs, wigs, weaves, etc. And obviously, as you can see, this one, yeah? Just look at it. I had to cut it because it was too long. But just look how healthy it looks. Look how healthy it is for the winter. Because in London here, it's literally extremely cold. And having this long hair, it helps. My ears are not turning fucking red. Like, it's so lovely. Like, this hair is beautiful. You don't understand. So basically, the brand of this hair is MSBEAUTY Hair. MSBEAUTY Hair. Yeah, if I'm incorrect, I'm just going to put the right name here. But the hair of the company is MSBEAUTY Hair. And I believe they sent me 4 bundles and a frontal. So the frontal was 18 inches. But I had to cut it again because I wanted to layer my hair. But they sent me 18 inches frontal. They sent me 22, 24, 26 and 26 again, I think. So yeah, this is it. This is the length. It comes up nearly to my waist. But right now it's literally on my, almost on my hips, yeah. So yeah, this is the hair. This is the length. Like, guys, are you mad? If you don't cop this hair by the end of the video, you're missing out, because I even got a discount code for you guys. I mean, discount code for you guys, which is going to be right here. It's Altou, and I believe it's going to give you 10% off on your purchase. So yeah, sorry guys, my sister's just watching me. I don't understand. Why are you coming fast? But yeah, guys, literally, they sent me a frontal 4 bundles, and the 4 bundles, yeah, I couldn't use all of it. I used 3 bundles and I left only 1 bundle because literally it was too full. Like, literally the bundle, when you see the hair, is literally so thick. I'm gonna try and see if I can find a bundle. Yeah, this is the bundle, and the length of it is 24. And when I'm telling you guys, the amount you get in 1 bundle is crazy, because obviously the frontal is quite large itself, so 3 bundles is okay. I just wanted to get 4 because I thought, why not? But I was wrong. It's literally so thick, guys. Like, are you mad? Are you mad? Literally, this is 24 inches. I don't know if you guys can see it. 24 inches, and it's this long. And usually with long bundles, you can when you get longer bundles, you get less bundles. But with this, literally, you're getting the right amount. Like, it's unbelievable. Why are you coming fast? Yeah, but with this bundle, you're getting the right amount of hair that you need. Like, it's unbelievable. So I advise you guys to only get 3 bundles, and they can literally see you in the mirror. But yeah, like, literally, I advise you guys to get 3 bundles and a frontal. That's all you need. But if you're a person that likes to get a fuller look, then Girl, you can get 5 bundles for all you want. Girl, you gotta do what you gotta do. Get 5 bundles, get 4 bundles. It's all up to you, darling. But yeah, guys, this is the hair. And as you can see, look, fam. Look at the bundle. Look how soft it is. Look how soft it is. Literally, stiff wear. Baby girl, stiff wear. Stiff wear. If you want to achieve this look, yeah, sis, go purchase you Miss Beauty hair, because I feel like this is the best brand I've worked with in terms of like the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is so beautiful. You can see it's so healthy. It's like literally when I curl it, it's like it holds the curl. When I comb it, it don't really shred. It don't shred as much. When I washed it a couple of times, because obviously I was doing multiple hairstyles, so obviously the hair was getting a bit messed up, so I had to wash it, condition it, went back to normal. I'm telling you guys, this hair is absolutely beautiful. I feel like it's just the one. Go purchase you the hair, sis. Get you the A1 fleeky look. And obviously some of you guys love my Instagram and you're always asking me, oh, Altou, where did you get your hair? Where did you get? Literally all of my recent pictures that looks like this is Miss Beauty hair. Girl, that's my secret. Miss Beauty hair. Go purchase you Miss Beauty hair, sis, because boy, well, I'm even getting oily. But sorry guys, I'm not looking my best, but you know, just had to do the review because boy. But yeah guys, this is the bundle and literally it runs through nicely. I'm gonna get a brush to like demonstrate to you guys how soft it is. Guys, it's like it's been moisturized, but it's not. Like, it's so beautiful. It's so like, it's so silky. It's beautiful. This is the hair, guys. But yeah, and literally when the frontal came, it was already pre-plucked. But obviously when you get the frontal, you're obviously gonna need to do some customizing, because obviously you want to make the frontal look as natural as possible. But when I got the frontal, it was already like pre-plucked. Like, it was amazing. So I had my wig maker had less work to do. But literally guys, this hair is easy to work with. I'm telling you guys, if you want to spend your money on good weave, and you know, like you want to spend your money on good weave and you know how to maintain it, Miss Beauty hair is the one. Literally, I'm telling you guys, this brand is absolutely wonderful. Like, also their customer service is beautiful. If you've got any concerns, you can contact them through email, through Instagram, and I believe on Twitter as well. I'm gonna confirm everything, but for now I know you can email them and DM them via Instagram. So yeah guys, and also some of you may wonder if they only ship to the UK. No, they don't. They ship everywhere. So they ship to America, the UK, outside of the UK, you know, they're international. Like, they ship everywhere. Like, it's mad guys. So I feel like, why not purchase the hair if you want to look this good? You know what I mean? Literally, look how natural it looks. Like, it's literally, it's mad. Like, guys, this looks like my real hair. Oh my god, listen guys, oh my god, this hair is literally, it's mind-blowing. Yeah guys, so when I comb it, this is what it looks like. It's just so healthy. Literally, this is how I can describe the hair. It's healthy. It just looks too healthy, you know what I mean? Before I done this video, I curled it before, but obviously I wanted it to be straight for the video, because that's how the bundle came. It came as straight. So yeah, so I'm just gonna demonstrate to you guys how it looks if you actually straighten it proper. So I'm gonna take one piece of the hair. I want to get my straightener. Guys, Yeah, I can't even straighten my hair for shit, but okay guys, we're gonna do this again because I can't even straighten my own hair. But we're gonna grab this one bundle. Guys, look at that. Look at that one piece. Oh, let me just... Guys, I literally straightened it and it looks beautiful. And I'm going to try and curl it for you guys as well so you see. I'm just trying to show you everything now so you see how everything looks from now. So obviously if you want to purchase it, you won't like have any disappointment. So I'm just trying to show it everything now. So this is how I normally curl my hair. Obviously there's multiple different ways to curl your hair, but this is how I do mine. I like mine more loose. Fam. Oh my god. Just look how it holds it. Yeah guys, I like curling my hair from the bottom to get that wavy look. But literally, it's literally so nice. It's beautiful guys, I'm telling you. And you guys may want to know more information about the hair. So this hair is Brazilian, and yeah, it's Brazilian, and on the website they sell multiple of different kinds of weaves. So they sell body wave, straight, I think kinky as well. I'm going to double check and I'm going to put everything in the description box below so you're fully informed and you know everything about the hair company. But as I know, they definitely sell body wave, straight and kinky. I'm going to double check that. If I'm wrong, I'm just going to correct myself here. But apart from that guys, amazing. The delivery, how long did it take for the hair to come? It was so quick. I know it took less than, yeah, it took less than a week, less than 5 days. Yeah, like it was so quick, like it was mad. Literally, I'm literally obsessed with this hair. Like guys, I know it may sound like I'm exaggerating, but sis, but yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and let's hope my next video is not in another 4 months. Let's hope I can upload next week or in 2 weeks. I'm just trying to be like fully ready with, I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for the YouTube world, because a lot of you guys think YouTube is easy. It's really not. It's really hard, like especially when you've got other things going on outside of the YouTube world. Literally, college modeling is so hard to do everything at once. Like literally, it's mad. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna put everything in the description box, the links, the website link, and everything. Literally, I'm going to put everything down there. My social media platform are going to be there as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and hopefully when you see me, I'll do a story time. Bye-bye.
Pussy got that wet, got that drip, got that super soak. I hit that, she a Fifi, honey, Kiki. She eat my dick like it's free. I don't even